Do you actually know what all those numbers on your pay stub mean? Most people don't. They glance at the bottom line, see a number, and move on. But ignoring your pay stub means you could be missing mistakes or losing money without even knowing it. Let's fix that in 2 minutes. Welcome to Money Made Simple. A pay stub is just a document that breaks down your paycheck. It shows exactly how your money went from what you earned to what landed in your bank account. Once you know how to read it, it's actually really simple. There are 3 main numbers you need to know. First, gross pay. This is your total earnings before anything gets taken out. If someone asks, how much do you make? This is usually the number people mean. Second, deductions. This is everything subtracted from your gross pay. Taxes, benefits like health insurance, and retirement contributions if you have them. This section can look intimidating, but it's just a list of where pieces of your paycheck are going. Third, net pay. This is what's left after all those deductions. And this is the number that actually matters day to day. This is your real paycheck. This is what you can actually spend, save, or budget with. Here's why this matters. Mistakes happen. Employers can miscalculate taxes, forget a deduction, or make an error in your favor or against you. If you never check, you'll never catch it. Knowing your numbers also helps you understand exactly what you're working with, which makes budgeting and saving so much easier. Make it a habit. Check your pay stub every single month. It takes 30 seconds and can save you real money. Your challenge? Open your latest pay stub right now and look at the numbers. Find your gross pay, your deductions, and your net pay. Subscribe to Money Made Simple for more beginner-friendly money tips.